Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove an old card from your Adobe account. First, open your web browser and go to the Adobe website. Sign in using your Adobe ID and password. Once you are signed in, look at the top right corner and click on your profile picture. This will open a menu. From that menu, select Manage Account. On the Manage Account page, look for the section called Plans and Payments. Click on it to see a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Plans. Here you will see your current subscriptions and payment methods. Next, find the option that says Change Payment. Click on it, and a new window will open where you can add a new card. Enter the details of your new card carefully and save it. Make sure the new card is active so that it can be used for future payments. After you have added your new card, you can now remove the old one. Since Adobe does not allow direct deletion, you will need to contact Adobe customer support. Look for the chat or help icon on the Adobe website and start a chat. Ask the support agent to remove your old card. They will guide you through the process and confirm that the old card has been removed. Once the support agent confirms the removal, check your payment methods to make sure only your new card is listed. Thanks for watching.